Yeah, how can I help you?
I'm here for a manicure.
We're closed already.
Your sign says open.
Yeah, but we're closed. I was just gonna go turn that off right now.
It's not your closing time yet, and there's not a line, so you should be able to fit me in really quickly, right?
You know, it's been pretty slow today, so I decided to close the shop a little bit early.
Oh, lucky for you, now you have a client.
Fine, come on in.
A few moments later.
Yeah, I want a chrome French manicure.
You want a chrome French manicure?
Yeah, do you have like a gold chrome?
Yeah, I do.
Perfect. My lucky day.
So annoying.
2 hours later.
I love it. Looks great. It's beautiful.
Tired.
So can we also squeeze in a pedicure?
You want a pedicure too?
Yeah.
You know it's really late, right? You only asked for a manicure. I don't know why you want a pedicure.
It shouldn't take that long. I have nice feet.
You have no life or what?